Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to find your Binance Smart Chain wallet address on Bybit. This is useful if you're planning to deposit crypto using BEP20 network from Trust Wallet, MetaMask or Binance. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, you need to log into your Bybit account. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, tap on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now click on the Deposit Crypto button. You will see a list of coins. BSC is a network, not a coin, so you will need to choose a token like USDT, BNB or Ethereum that supports BEP20. Let's pick USDT for example. Search USDT. Tap on it. After selecting the coin, choose BEP20 as the network. Tap on it. Make sure the sending platform supports this network. Now you will see your BSC wallet address and a QR code. You can copy the address or scan the QR code to deposit from your wallet or exchange. And that's it. That's how you find your BSC wallet address on Bybit. Always double check the network before sending any funds. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.